Hey guys, so today we are going to be riding dirt bikes and with my friend, but he went inside for a minute, but I'm just going to show you I'm going to just get some footage of me riding dirt bikes. Alright, I hope I don't crash. Oh no, my neighbors don't like if I go in the grass, but oh no. Guys, holy sh, dude, I'm like really scared. Go get them. Gotta go leave my teacher. Let's go ding dong ditch my neighbor with Gray. Oh, shit. I'm trying to get caught. Wait, this guy worked in the army. BRB, guys. Let me go ding dong ditch them. So, let's go. We gotta go. Go. I suck at riding these. Bull gang. They're coming out. They'll never know it's me. So many cars outside. Oh, there's my autistic friend. Let's get a check on him. Alright, see you guys. That's the end of the video. Peace.